Welcome back to LifeTalk English. Today, we're learning how to talk to your neighbor naturally and politely. Maybe you've just moved into a new place or want to start a friendly chat. Don't worry, we'll show you how to sound warm and confident in real life. Stay with us till the end and learn how to turn small talk into friendship. Scene 1. Greeting and introducing yourself.
Hi there. I'm your new neighbor from apartment 3B.
Oh, hi. Welcome to the building. I'm Lisa from 3A.
Nice to meet you, Lisa. I just moved in yesterday.
That's great. How's everything so far? Settling in okay?
Mostly, yes. Still a few boxes left to unpack.
I know that feeling. Moving days are always messy.
Totally. I'm just glad the elevator works.
Yeah, that's a big help here.
Everyone seems friendly so far.
It's a nice community. People usually greet each other.
That's good to hear. I was a bit nervous at first.
Don't worry, you'll feel at home soon.
Thanks. Oh, by the way, do you know where the nearest grocery store is?
Sure, just around the corner. Fresh Mart. It's open till 10 p.m.
Perfect. Thanks for the tip, neighbor.
Anytime. Let me know if you need more help.
I appreciate that, Lisa. See you around.
See you, and welcome again. Scene 2. Talking about the neighborhood.
Hey, Lisa, do you have a minute?
Sure. What's up?
I was wondering, how long have you lived here?
Almost 3 years now. It's a nice area.
Yeah, it feels peaceful. I like the park nearby.
Oh, the one by the river? It's beautiful in the evenings.
Yes, I walked there yesterday. The sunset was amazing.
You should visit on Sundays. There's a small market there.
Really? That sounds fun. What kind of market?
Local food, handmade crafts, even live music sometimes.
Wow, that's lovely. I love those kinds of things.
You'll enjoy it for sure. People are very friendly.
I already feel like I picked a good place to live.
You definitely did. And it's safe too. That's a big plus.
True, that's important. I'm happy I met a kind neighbor like you.
Aw, thank you. I'm happy too. It's nice to chat.
Same here. Let's hang out there this weekend maybe.
Sure, let's do that. Scene 3. Asking for a small favor.
Hey, Lisa, sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment?
Of course. What do you need?
I just ran out of sugar. Could I borrow a little?
Classic neighbor moment. Sure, let me grab some.
You're a lifesaver. I was right in the middle of baking.
Oh, baking? What are you making?
Chocolate chip cookies, my comfort food.
Yum! Now I really want one.
Smiles. Deal. I'll bring you some when they're ready.
That's a fair trade. Here's the sugar.
Thanks so much. I'll return it tomorrow.
No rush. Just enjoy your cookies.
You're too kind. I really appreciate your help.
Anytime. That's what neighbors are for.
True. I'm lucky to have a friendly one.
Same here. Now I can look forward to cookies.
Coming right up.
Scene 4. Handling a minor problem.
Hey, can we talk for a second?
Sure. Everything okay?
Yeah, just a small thing. Your TV was a bit loud last night.
Oh no. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize it.
It's okay. I know sometimes we forget.
Thanks for telling me politely. I'll keep it down.
I didn't want to bother you, just wanted to mention it.
No problem at all. I'll use my headphones next time.
That's really thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Of course. I don't want to disturb anyone.
You're very considerate. Not everyone reacts like this.
I believe good neighbors respect each other.
Exactly. Communication makes everything easier.
Totally agree. Thanks for letting me know nicely.
Anytime. And if I ever make noise, please tell me too.
Will do. Let's keep it friendly and quiet.
Deal. You're awesome.
You too, Lisa. Thanks for understanding. Scene 5. Building a friendly connection.
Hey, Lisa. I'm having a small get-together this weekend.
Oh, that sounds nice. What's the occasion?
Just a casual meetup, coffee, snacks, and neighbors.
I love that idea. It's great for building community.
Exactly. I thought it would be fun to know everyone better.
Count me in. Do you need me to bring something?
Maybe some juice or snacks if you'd like.
Sure thing. I'll bring homemade lemonade.
Perfect. You're amazing.
Smiles. Thanks. I'm happy you organized this.
I just wanted everyone to feel connected.
That's really thoughtful. We need more neighbors like you.
Laughs. You're too kind.
No, really. It's nice when people care.
I think good vibes make good neighborhoods.
Couldn't agree more. See you Saturday, neighbor.
See you. And thanks again for being awesome.
Great job, everyone. You just learned real-life English for talking to your neighbor. Which scene felt most like your real experience? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing with LifeTalk English. See you in the next conversation.